This is the story of an AI-based monitoring designer that was constantly dealing with downtime and technical issues until they found Sealevel. This company's AI-based perimeter surveillance systems were much more robust than a typical optical-based system and used advanced radar for ground, air, sea, and drone detection. For sophisticated tech like this, failure isn't an option, except the system was failing frequently. We've been engineering and manufacturing mission-critical I/O since 1986. That's literally decades that we've been making reliable solutions for industries that can't fail. Because if your monitoring system isn't monitoring, you've got problems, right, Jeff?
Absolutely.
So how did we help them get what they needed?
Sometimes a custom solution is needed, but for this application, we knew we had the perfect answer with one of our standard products.
And in this case, that meant the Relio R1, one of our most over-engineered solutions. The R1 has built-in power redundancy to safeguard against failure and is robust enough to support 50 radars or cameras per unit.
Plus, it has impressive swap optimization for a smaller footprint.
This system enables streaming and AI training for a more comprehensive deployment experience.
We sent them a unit for extensive environmental testing, and we found the Relio R1 was able to replace not one, but two of their existing computers.
Hey Jeff, I broke the printer again. Can't get the paper out.
I guess not everything can be as reliable as the Relio.
Not everything can be Sealevel engineered.
Who is that?
Don't worry about them.
Can you fix the printer?
Probably not.
Why are we whispering? Let us make your next project fail-proof. Contact Sealevel today.